Hello everyone, this is your module number 2, that is Boolean algebra and logic gates. In this module we have to cover the following contents like theorem and properties of Boolean algebra, Boolean function reduction using Boolean laws, canonical forms, standard, soft and pos form, that is sum of product and product of sum form, then basic digital gates like NOT, AND, OR, NAND, NOR, XNOR and XOR gate. Then we have to solve the example using K-map method for 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variables. Then don't care condition. And last one, we have to learn the Queen MC+K method and NAND NOT near realization. So we have to cover all these topics in module number 2. This is your topic number 1 in module number 2, that is theorem and properties of Boolean algebra. So what do you mean by Boolean algebra? In case of Boolean algebra, variables are represented like an English capital alphabets like A, B, C, D, etc. And values of each variables are represented in the forms of ones and zero. Because in case of Boolean value, we are representing the number in the forms of ones and zero. So when we have to represent our value of your Boolean algebra, then we are taking the values of variable in the forms of 1 and 0. In case of Boolean algebra, the expressions are converted into a logic diagram using different types of logic gates. So logic gates, these are the basic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. These all gates are available, that is basic gates as well as universal gates. So logic gates means these are the basic building block of developing your digital circuit. If you want to display our digital circuit, then we can display our digital circuit, design our digital circuit using these logical gates. So Boolean theorems and laws, this is used to simplify our logical expression. So our logical expression can be simplified using these different types of laws and theorem. For designing your digital designing problem, we can apply this unique logical expression in the form of truth table. So truth table shows the values of each and every cases. We can learn this truth table in the later section. If these logical expressions are simplified, then designing becomes easier. So we can design our logic gates in simple manner. So first of all, we have to reduce our Boolean algebra expression and we have to design our logic gates according to your logical expressions. So these are the properties of your Boolean algebra. So first law is Allumment law. In this Allumment law, a variable is AND operation with 0, then your output is 0. That means A and 0 is equal to 0. Next one, when your variable is OR operation with 1, then it produces output as a 1. That means A or 1 is equal to 1. Second law is identity law. In this identity law, variable remains unchanged when you are performing OR operation with 0, that is A plus 0 is equal to A, and if you are performing AND operation with 1, then also your variable remains unchanged. That means A and 1 is equal to A. That is called as identity law. Third one is independent law. That means your variable remains unchanged when you are performing OR and AND operation with itself. That means A plus A, that is nothing but A, and A into A is also nothing but A. That means you are performing OR and AND operation with variables itself. That is nothing but your idempotent law. Fourth one is complement law. Complement law means you are taking the variable and you are taking the complement of that variable with OR and AND operation. The first rule is A plus A bar is equal to 1 and second rule is A into A bar is equal to 0. Next law is double negation law. When you are taking the double bar on that variable, then it will become A. So A double bar is equal to A. When you are taking the two negation, then this negation gets cancel out and original variable will be obtained. Next law is commutative law. In this commutative law, the order does not matter and you have to perform only operation. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. When you are taking the two variable A and B, then A plus B operation is also same and B plus A is also operation is same. That means both the results are same. Same like that, A into B is equal to B into A. Next law is associative law. In this associative law, order of operation does not matter. So here A plus in bracket B plus C is nothing but in bracket A plus B bracket complete plus C. So when you have to perform the operation and you are taking the parenthesis B plus C for addition, when you are performing the first of all B plus C addition with A addition, then your result is same as like that when you are performing first of all A plus B addition and then you are adding variable C into that previous addition. Same like that, A into in bracket BC is equal to in bracket A into B into C. That is called as associative law. So in that associative law, order of operation does not matter for the variable as like multiplication, division, parenthesis. Okay. Then next one is distributive law. In that distributive law, this law governs opening of your brackets. So here A into in bracket B plus C. So you have to distribute this bracket with the variable which is outside of the bracket. So A is multiplied with this variable B and C. So after multiplying it becomes AB plus AC. Then second rule is A plus in bracket B into C. So this B into C is OR with your variable A, that is called as A plus B into A plus C. So these are the two distributive laws. Next one is absorption law. In that absorption law, A into A plus B is equal to A and A plus AB is equal to A. That is nothing but your absorption law. So these all are properties of your Boolean algebra. Next one is principle of duality. In this principle of duality, one expression can be obtained from the another expression by replacing only 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So in the duality theorem, you have to replace 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Same like that, your AND operation is replaced with your OR operation and your OR operation is replaced with your AND operation. So a pair of expressions satisfying this property, that is called as dual expression, and this characteristics of Boolean algebra is called as principle of duality. Next one is De Morgan's law. In case of De Morgan's law, there are total two rules. First one is A into B bar is nothing but A bar plus B bar. And second one, A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So these are the two De Morgan's law are available. The operation of AND and OR logical circuit is unchanged if all the inputs are inverted. And the operator is changed when your AND operation is there, then it will become the OR operation, and if OR operation is there, then it will become AND operation. So your output is inverted. This is called as De Morgan's law.